Today I'm going to be making very simple and easy to make Korean style egg omelette. All I need are some eggs and chopped scallion. What makes a Korean egg omelette a little bit difficult is the fact that it really helps if you have the kind of a square pan. But if you don't, then you can also use round pan. But I think it's really easy to find these square pans these days. I have here 7 small eggs beaten, and you need to add some water to the egg just to make it a little bit thinner. So I've already added a spoonful of water, so I'll add a little more. Here I'm using this egg beater that I got in Japan during my last trip, and this is really wonderful. To it, I'll add some salt and, of course, pepper and chopped green onions. I chopped it really nice and fine. Mix it all in. I've chopped about 3 stalks of green onion. I like mine with lots of green onion. So again, it all depends on how you like yours. Some people actually put cheese or even chopped ham or spam or carrots, always very thinly chopped carrots or even onion is good, but I'm just showing you the real truly basic one. Now, one of the key points about making a really nice egg omelette is the temperature control. So I'm going to start with a very sort of a medium heat and spoonful of just cooking oil. First batch, you need to make sure that you have enough oil to cover the pan. I'm going to wait until the oil starts to glisten a bit. Before you pour the egg in, always make sure that you stir it a little bit. I'm just going to pour a little bit just to cover a little bit on all sides. Lower the heat a little bit. This is really one of the key points about how to make really beautiful looking eggs. You have to be patient. I am a very impatient person, so I usually make it I mess up my eggs. But one of the things with making really beautiful this kind of egg omelette is that you have to be very patient, and doesn't matter the first batch becomes kind of crooked. It's okay because we're going to make layers of it. So you flip it to the side to maybe 1/3, and then I'm going to stir again, and I keep layering on, right? And make sure that the egg sort of flows into the bottom of the other side. Okay. And I'm going to add a little more oil here. Then again, add more eggs. Make sure that they flow into the bottom of this part. Then a little bit of oil again. You repeat this process until you are finally finished with all your eggs, right? So you see how the finished product, you want it to be a little bit golden on each side. So it's really nice and big. It's almost like that the egg that you get at a Japanese sushi place. So I'm going to transfer it to a board and let it cool a bit before I cut it. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Perfect. You have to make sure that you cool the omelet before you cut it, because otherwise it'll get all smushed. So it's been cooling for about 10 minutes. One of the best way to cut it is, of course, you can cut it vertically. But I like to cut it diagonally because that way you can show the egg, the inside. So already, I mean, it looks so beautiful. You can serve it as an omelet or as banchan, or actually even as a main dish. It's really nice if you put some anchovy rice that we made before, and you can actually top this with some of this egg omelette. It makes a perfect meal. So let me try one. It's nice and thick, very nice and smooth inside. It's perfect banchan, and I highly recommend it. And it's really something that even your children would love. So happy cooking and happy eating.